Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Polygon Matic, whose current price stands at the $0.9039 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 19.94%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart, and I'll be basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. So from the all-time high, Polygon Matic has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.31 mark, and by so doing I believe Polygon Matic has done whatever it was needed to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see this pump to the upper side, having a wave 5 taking us back to an all-time high. And I have this yellow target up here for the minimum that I expect that wave 1 to do, and that I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's. So if I apply the fibs here from this low down here to that high up there, that is the all-time high, you can see that this yellow target lies between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5. That is the minimum that I expect that wave 1 to the upper side to do, and Polygon Matic has been respecting this Elliot wave count to the upper side, as we can see from the 4-hour chart. So if I jump to the 4-hour chart, from the moment that we touched that key area at around the $0.31 mark, Polygon Matic has been having this nice pump to the upper side, and in this pump we had this first wave 1 to the upper side, then had a wave 2 to the lower side, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment is a wave 3 to the upper side, and soon we might see a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And in this wave 1 we can try and use the Fibonacci's to see whether the retracement of this wave 2 has done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to do. So using the fibs from that low to that high right there, you can see that this wave 2 has retraced to around the fib level 0.382, which is the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to retrace to. And then after having that retracement to the lower side, we started seeing another nice pump to the upper side, and we broke above key areas of resistance, formed even chart patterns which indicated that we could continue pushing to the upper side, and that has happened. And today we have made it to around the $1 mark, and that was a very nice pump to the upper side, because this is what I expected this wave 3 to do as a minimum. I expected that wave 3 to the upper side to do a minimum of the area between the $0.91 mark and the $0.93 mark, and that I was basing it on the trend based Fibonacci's. So if I apply the trend based Fibonacci here, connecting to that low down there, you can see that my yellow target for the wave 3 lies at around the $0.93 mark, which is at around the 1.618 fib level. That is the minimum that I expected that wave 3 to the upper side to do, but you can see Polygon Matic has even done more than that by going to around the $1 mark, and by so doing that's a very good indication that TA works, and I believe soon we might complete the wave 3 to the upper side, and then see a little bit of a retracement here on the charts in a wave 4, then see another wave 5 to the upper side, and in that wave 5, once we see the completion of that wave 5, then this wave 1 to the upper side would have come to a complete. For those that know how the Elliot waves work, know that within a wave 5 we must see other 5 fractal waves within a wave 1, and once you see the completion of a wave 5 to the upper side, then wave 1 will have come to a complete. Then we can see a wave 2 to the lower side, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, and a wave 5, taking us back to an all-time high. If I also take a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are in the overbought region, and that would mean Soon we might see that retracement here on the RSI. That would give us, and that would mean on the charts we might see a little bit of a retracement to the lower side, so that we can try and create room for us to continue pushing to the upper side. Also on the MACD, we are just seeing an increase in volume. We had a bullish cross over here, and that would mean higher prices could still be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.